Question 13. What is meant by metastasis? Metastasis means when a person is going through cancer. Okay, now there are several stages of cancer. One is a primitive stage, and one stage where a cell from the origin, that is a cancer cell, rapidly growing cell from the origin, has spread into the blood lymphatic tissue and has, a wide spread all over through the body. That, my dear friends, is known as metastasis. Okay, so a phenomenon in which cancer spreads to distant sites through blood and lymph and produce secondary tumors there is known as metastasis. Okay, so one tumor cell, this is the origin of tumor. A cell from here will start going through the bloodstream and it will go throughout the body, and that is known as metastasis. Okay, so this is your answer number 13.